Welcome to the 7SearchPPC, a leading platform for all your traffic monetization needs. Let's explore how you can run our ads on your website. First, log into your publisher account. Visit the Websites section and add a website to your account. Simply click the Add Website button, provide the website URL, and select Category. Here, you must provide an ad unit name to create your first ad unit, and select a suitable ad type in the available ad unit field. Finish by confirming whether you want to run erotic or alert ads and verifying the website's ownership. How to verify website ownership? Simply copy the meta tag appearing after the website submission and paste it to the head tag of your website. Now click the Verify button to finish the process. How do you create an ad unit? To create fresh ad units, navigate to your website under the Websites section and click the Add Unit button. Now, provide an ad unit name, choose a suitable ad format, set your preferences for erotic and alert ads. That's it. How to copy an ad script. In the website list, click the Add Units button to see a list of all the ad units created under your website. Click on the Get Code button and copy the ad script. Now, paste this script on the preferred section of your website. That's it. For more information, please get in touch with our support team. Thank you for choosing 7SearchPPC.